This is Amy Novick of Clutter Care. People frequently ask me, how did you get into Google training anyway? As a school teacher, I used Google Apps in the classroom regularly, and I've always enjoyed technology. So in 2013, I studied and applied to become a Google certified trainer. As I recently rewatched my application video, my reasons for working with and teaching about Google are the same now as they were in 2013. Watch with me now.
My name is Amy Novick and I want to be a Google Apps certified trainer.
¿Cuál es su experiencia en la educación y la tecnología?
I spent 10 years teaching K-12 music in the Chicago area. I have a master's degree in interdisciplinary curriculum and instruction, and I was an instructional designer for 4 years, designing hundreds of online college courses, content, and interactive learning activities.
Why are you applying to be a Google Apps certified trainer?
Google Apps makes it easy to stay organized and be efficient. I'm passionate about showing newcomers the benefits of cloud technology and how easy it is to find fun ways to use various apps. I also love learning, and Google Apps is always improving.
Quel est votre rôle en technologie éducative?
At Net56, I train our own employees on productivity and business software. I also provide professional learning for our clients, most of whom are school districts not yet in the cloud. Google Sites keeps my training materials easily organized by client and topic, and Chrome keeps my logins straight. In the last 2 years, we have deployed Google Apps in 2 school districts and trained employees in 5 additional school districts and 3 businesses on integrating Google Apps into their workflow and curricula.
What are your innovative approaches to using Google Apps?
My goal is to make technology immediately relevant and useful without being overwhelming. I start by training on the app that will be most useful and easy for the user. My training includes hands-on practice learning to save time by collaborating on one file, communicating with comments, chat, and email, sharing calendars, collecting info with forms, and presenting info from all Google Apps using Sites. I look forward to being a Google Apps certified trainer and spreading the joy and ease of Google Apps to others.
Technology has come a long way since then, and so have I. But my passion for organizing and teaching others has remained the same: to share the benefits of Google Apps and all they can do to make your lives easier and save time. If you're interested in my online Google classes or one-to-one coaching, click the links in the description below. I look forward to helping you succeed.